guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a BOXYCHARM. So I did actually cancel BOXYCHARM, but because I prepaid, I have, I think, maybe one more box after this. Anyway, let's just go ahead and go through this box. Okay, so the first thing in here is Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. And this one is Blushing Berries. I do not have any Dose of Colors eyeshadow. I have plenty of their liquid lipsticks, but no eyeshadow. So I was actually excited to have this. It is very berry. Look at those colors. This is what I have on my eyes today. You know, I like it. I like the color scheme. The shadows are incredibly pigmented, easy to use. They're nice and blendable. I have zero complaints about this. So I'm actually really happy about this. Plus it's a cute little sleek palette. It does come with a brush, and the brush isn't terrible. I used the black shadow and this brush for my eyeliner. This one is a little stiff, so and it's too small for blending, but it might be good for detailed work or packing on color. I actually used it just for the shadow underneath my eyes today. The next thing is from Iconic London, and this is Prep Set Glow. It's a facial spray that's got the swirlies in it. It's not bad. It's quite sticky and it's perfumed. I personally do not care for the scent. It just smells like too perfumey to me. But the actual spray I think is fine. I used it today. I used it as I was putting on my foundation to like help my foundation blend a little bit better and be a little more hydrated, and I liked it for that. And then I powdered my face and then put this on over it. Basically just, you know, testing it out, seeing how I liked it, and I do think that it works well. So my only complaint is the scent on this. Another product from Iconic London is this lip gloss. This is a lip plumping gloss. It is what I have on my lips today. However, I barely put any on. When I first saw this, I was like, oh no, I hate highly pigmented lip glosses. They just are messy, and I don't really like the way they look on me anyway. But this isn't bad. Even full force, it's not super pigmented. The plumping aspect of it isn't stingy. It just seems very minty, which I love. This I have mixed feelings about. For me, if I'm going to wear a gloss, I kind of want it to be nude or nothing else. I just don't like the way colored lip glosses look on me personally. Plus I tend to smear them all over my face. So I'm not sure how much use I will get out of this, but I do actually like the formula. This is from Mellow Cosmetics. It is a tinted brow gel. I did use it today, but I feel like this color is too dark. Even though my hair is really dark, I don't know. I don't like really dark brow gels, and I love brow gels, and I actually really like the formula of this one. So it has a smallish wand. It's like half size, you know, it's not full on mascara, but it's also not tiny like Benefit has, you know, a really tiny wand. This one's a bit bigger than that, but I really do like it. I like the formula. I like how much product it puts on. It seems to stay on my eyebrows pretty well and makes them look a bit fuller. I mean, you know, you can see my eyebrows. I used it today, and I used it sparingly too, and I still feel like, you know, I got some good eyebrows going. So I feel like this is one of those things that I would love in a different color. They do only have 2 colors to my knowledge. I looked on the website and saw it was like a light brown or a dark brown, and this is the dark brown. So, and then the last thing in here is from a company called Hollywood and Vine, which does not exist online. Like, you can't find anything other than, you know, from BOXYCHARM. I think Ipsy may have had a product at some point. It is a Kohl eyeliner, Velvety Touch Smooth. It's, you know, I think I'm so spoiled by all of these wonderful gel type eyeliners that just glide on so smoothly and so pigmented. And this one is like an old school pencil type. It's not scratchy, at least I didn't think so, but I felt like I really had to work to get it on. So I like the color and everything, and you can kind of smudge it out or, you know, whatever. I had a hell of a time getting it in my waterline. That was not working out. And one of the biggest complaints that I saw online, just, you know, on like the BOXYCHARM site, was that this smears. I didn't have that issue so much as I did just like, you know, I feel like I had to swipe it so many times and it doesn't glide on super easily. So it's one of those things that I might use, but it's not my favorite pencil. And that is it. That's this month's BOXYCHARM After Dark. They changed this thing. It's like a foldy doomaflachi. Also, BOXYCHARM is now doing all of those things that Ipsy does, where you get to choose an item and they have like the add-on section and all of that. But because I canceled, I couldn't do any of that. I still got my box, but I don't get to choose. Rude. And they also have like a foundation thing where you can, like, they'll send you some swatches and then you can tell them which color you are. Anyway, my box for me was fine, but the only thing that I will probably ever actually use is this palette, and that's pretty much the reason why I'm canceling BOXYCHARM. I feel like I don't get enough variety. I never get products that I actually use, even though they might be good products. They just never seem to be good products for me, and a lot of times they don't have cruelty-free stuff. So that's my reasoning for canceling BOXYCHARM, but I am still getting Ipsy, so if you're interested, I will be posting that video as soon as I get my Ipsy box. So let me know if you still get BOXYCHARM. How was your box this month? How are you feeling about BOXYCHARM in general? Do you like the new stuff? Let me know, I wanna hear from you. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!